Okay, so I'm going to show you how to graffiti some letters and possibly your name. So one thing about graffiti, yes, it is an illegal art, but the style that it creates, the font, are pretty cool. Now, yes, many people will take spray paint and they'll be able to freehand it, but for the most of us, we need a little bit more help. So I'm going to show you how to kind of get that feeling without needing to get the spray paint and all that other stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do the word art. Okay, so best way to start this off is to just write out lightly the letters that you want. Okay, so I want A R T. Okay, nothing really huge, nothing really exciting to it. Okay, now graffiti, as we know, kind of has like these cool swirls and designs all over the place. Well, let's kind of use this as a skeleton and add in those cool swirls. So I'm going to go here. Okay, so we're going to have my A kind of come up like this. Okay, kind of see how that works. I think I might change it up. Now there's no right and wrong way for this. So maybe I'll swirl it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, and by the way, you can always erase and start all over. So we're going to kind of put this here. So we have the A, kind of neat. Okay, my R, since I have this kind of like the swirl, I might like put that part somewhere. Let's do this curve. Let's go over here, here. R, okay, kind of make it a little fun. And you can do these any way you want. So I have here, so maybe I might go like this, make this really smooth, and have maybe, let's go like this. Let's take this back, and we'll have this swoop. So almost like it swoops down here. Okay. Now what I did right here is I actually connected some of these letters together, so they have a relationship between each other. You don't have to, you can. Now, so far, still so good, like could use a little extra more. You can create holes in them by putting little, peekaboo windows in there. All right. So I'm gonna have some peekaboo windows so I can see through them right there. You can also change some things up. Maybe you want them to be kind of look like they're got some like dripping or something like that. Something like really neat. All right. So you can easily do that as well. All right. Outline is also fun too. All right. So we can outline things to make them a little bit more exciting. It's more becoming like a decorative kind of design than anything. All right. So when you're doing your letters, start off by doing like kind of either a box letter or maybe just putting like it almost like as I said, a skeleton. Just write it out, and then you can build it up until you have a really cool design. Check that out. Not bad.